friends, it's Miss Karina, and today I wanted to come outside and do some cool bubble fun with you guys. But first I just wanted to say hi again to my friends that watched my last video and commented and liked, and it makes me really happy to know that you guys are having fun at home with me. So today we wanted to do bubbles, but we ran out of the solution, the bubble solution. So I looked up a really cool idea of how to make your own bubble solution. So we just did that, but I'm gonna tell you guys what you need. You need 1 cup of water, half a cup of dish soap, and that alone will make bubbles. But if you add a teaspoon of sugar, I don't know what that does, but it makes the bubbles even better. So now if you have a bubble wand, that works the best. So let's look at all this stuff. Anything with a hole might be able to do bubbles. So why don't we take a look at all these things and guess what's gonna make bubbles and what's not. So first we have our bubble wand. Do you think that's gonna work? Let's see. That works pretty good. Uh-oh. Oh man, we gotta get some. There we go. Well, it doesn't work as good as bubble solution from the store, but almost. Now we have a spatula. Do you think we'll be able to make bubbles with this? Devin, yeah. Can you move so my friends can see? You can come over here and help me. Do you think this will make bubbles? Mm-hmm. Whoa, did you guys see that? Whoa! That's cool! Do you guys have a spatula at home? You can try this in your own backyard. All right, we have a different kind of spatula. You want to try this one?
Yeah.
Try. That works. So another thing I had that might be kind of cool. Do you guys have those cups, those non-spill cups? This is the inside of a cup. Let's see if we can get a bubble to form. Whoa, it works. And then I found this. Do you think this will work? This is a strawberry container from the fridge. A little bit, not too much. I think, what was your favorite one, Devin?
Orange.
Orange? There's nothing orange here. What was your favorite thing to make a bubble?
A big one.
A big one? All right, I like the spatula. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. All right, guys, well, let me know if you guys are gonna make some bubbles today. Don't forget, you need a cup of water, half a cup of dish soap, and a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it up gently in a container, and then you can make your own bubbles at home. All right, bye guys, I'll see you soon.